We've finally reached the finish line of this Delta Unisaw from 1965. The restoration is complete. It's in its new home with a happy new owner. Thanks for joining me throughout this process as we've documented the whole process of tearing apart, rebuilding, and beautifying a Delta Unisaw so it's ready for another 50 years. I hope you've found the videos helpful. Many of the videos were at the request of viewers asking me to document certain processes that I go through to restore these things. I hope the videos are helpful now and for many years to come for many people. I hope you are able to find ways to make meaning out of all this restoration stuff. It taps into something deeply human, our desire to belong and our desire to build. And it's a little picture of those classic human desires. I hope you find ways to do those things, families to belong to, people to enjoy with it. And here we go with one last video. And we're done. 1965 Delta Unisaw from beginning to end. Everything taken apart, cleaned, lubricated, painted as needed, de-rusted, etc. Ready to go for another 50 years. It's a great project, lots of fun. And these are great pieces of machinery to work on. They've got sort of a graceful styling to them with that cast iron plinth and the Art Deco dust door. Attention to detail and the design of everything. And workhorses. Thanks for joining me for this multi-part series on a Delta Unisaw rebuild from top to bottom.